Welcome to day 43, Introduction to Machine Learning. In this session, we will cover the basics of machine learning and a dive into the popular libraries that make it easier to build powerful models. First, let's define what machine learning is. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables systems to learn patterns from data and make decisions or predictions without explicit programming. Some real-world applications of machine learning include image recognition, recommendation systems, fraud detection, and autonomous vehicles. There are three main types of machine learning. Supervised learning, where the data comes with labels such as predicting house prices. Unsupervised learning, where the data is unlabeled and the goal is to find hidden patterns like customer segmentation. Reinforcement learning, where systems learn through a trial and error approach, receiving rewards or penalties for their actions, like in game playing algorithms. Machine learning relies on a few key components. Dataset, a collection of data used for training the model. Features and labels. Features are the input variables and labels are the output variables we are trying to predict. Training and testing data. We split the data into training and testing sets to evaluate the model's performance. Evaluation metrics. These are used to access the model's accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Now let's take a look at one of the most popular machine learning libraries in Python, scikit-learn. It provides a simple interface to build machine learning models with ease. Some of these features include built-in datasets like iris and wine, tools for pre-processing data, and a range of algorithms for training and evaluating models. To install scikit-learn, you can use pip, the Python package manager. Simply type pip install scikit-learn in your terminal. Once installed, you can import the library and check the version using print scikit sklearn dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore to ensure everything is set up properly. Let's walk through a basic hands-on example. We will use the iris dataset, which contains data about different types of flowers. First, we load the dataset and split it into training and testing sets. Next, we train a random forest model, and finally we evaluate its accuracy by checking how well it performs on the test data. Visualization is an important part of understanding your data. For example, we can plot the iris dataset using matplotlib to see how the different features are distributed. This helps in understanding the relationships between the features and is often the first step in any machine learning task. For further learning, you can check out some great resources. A highly recommended book is Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow. You can also visit the official scikit-learn documentation for detailed guides. Additionally, FreeCodeCamp offers an excellent YouTube playlist on machine learning. For today's homework, I want you to try out the following. Load and explore another dataset in scikit-learn, train a logistic regression model, and evaluate its accuracy. Research and write down 5 real-world use cases of supervised learning.